I've got fuel and spark. My timing's good. Can't really tell, but they're perfect. Fuel pump turns on, did the jumper. No boost leaks, tested 3 times. And I'll fire it up. Sec. No more check engine code after I changed the fuel filter, which is kind of weird. And here's the cranking over. Nothing. All that's in here for engine management is AFC. Stock ECU, I've opened it, there's no leaky capacitors. The Walbro 255 kicks on when we do the jumper. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I tested the cam angle sensor too, that was good. Same with all the throttle body parts. So